Why my videos here on YouTube are not having view? Yes, I want to tell you the reason I found out that my videos here on YouTube are not having view. The algorithm is against me. Welcome, beautiful people. Those watching me for the first time, I want to say thank you for joining me, and for my amazing, beautiful subscriber, welcome once again, and keep on doing the good work. I throw a salute for you. Thank you very much for always being there, because without you, there will be no Chioma Media. Now, let's hop in. Now, why my videos, after putting much effort, after working out my time myself, scripting my videos, even after doing a lot of research, putting my passion, my time, and every other thing to make sure my video have view here in YouTube, no view. I will do a perfect video to my own standards. I'm not saying it's perfect. It might not be perfect to you, but to my own standard. Me looking at it, I try. I give myself hand. But yet, I go post them. View no dey. I beg, make I tell you that for those of you that wey no dey watch my video, wetin dey happen? Make una watch my video now. Now let's go. If you know you have any question to ask me or anything to say concerning my video, just comment in the comment below. Is it that the algorithm is against me? Why my videos are not having view? Now know what I noticed. Whenever I post my videos, find out that YouTube is recommending the video. The video is always there, not once, not twice. After the day, if I still go there again, the video is being recommended. The notification is being sent. So the algorithm is never against me. So I don't know. I'm trying to see what I'm doing wrong, why it's not going, or if it's the algorithm. In case you are watching this video or you come across this video and you have everything or anything that will make my video have views, I beg, come to my comment section. Come let me know, because the thing don't tire me. I beg. I know I don't see them. Algorithm not that against me. My video is being recommended to a very large extent. So YouTube, I want to say thumbs up to you. I really appreciate you for pushing my video. Yes, because you guys are doing a great job. So I don't really know what I'm doing wrong that is making my video not to have views. So please, for those of you who have not subscribed to my channel, please, if you know what I stand for, my niche here is how to teach people on how to make money, personal development, and various other aspects. That is what I do here. Can algorithm be against anyone? No, my dear. I do not think that algorithm can be against you. Yes, do you know why I say so? Because the algorithm do not know you. Yes, it has no business with you. I think and I know if you do the right thing, definitely your view will come. People will click, because algorithm is not the people that are clicking. Algorithm is only doing the work by spreading the video you upload. It's either two things: you're not doing the right thing, or the people are not choosing to watch what you are doing. In one of my videos, I talked about your passion is not enough. So I don't know, my people, make una tell me what una go like to the watch, so that I will concentrate more effort, because it's so disheartening that I will make videos and there will be no view. I beg una. YouTube, once again, I want to say you people should keep on doing the good work. Do not fail to be pushing my video. I'm pleading with YouTube, and I want to say a big shout out and thank you to YouTube, because you guys are doing marvelously well in recommending small YouTubers video like mine. Yes, I've seen what you're doing. You know why? If I pick up my friend's phone, I see my video there. Yes, if it's not being recommended, those who have subscribed will not see it. But please, my subscribers, both the new ones that are yet to subscribe, watch my video. Then for those upcoming YouTuber or new YouTuber that is still struggling, that is still asking this question that I'm asking, I want to tell you that the algorithm loves you. Yes, YouTube algorithm loves you. YouTube is one platform that I've seen that It's so nice. It's not partial. It does not favor one and leave the other. No, it does the thing the right way. Just give it what the algorithm wants. If the algorithm wants this, you give the algorithm this, and the algorithm will give you what you want. His own is to distribute it to your targeted audience after all the criteria has been met. After him searching and knowing these are your audience, then it's not left for your audience to click on it. So it's either you check your thumbnails. Is it that my thumbnails are not good enough? Please, I need it in the comment section. Is it that my titles are not enticing? Please, for those big YouTuber that is coming across this my video, I beg una, you guys should try and check my video and tell me where I'm going wrong. Please, the thing is becoming something else to me. It's becoming something else to me. I will come out, I will take my time, I will put in so much energy and make a video and no view. This video I watched, it said just a video will give you that. Just a video, just be consistent. I've been consistent enough. I've been trying to work out to improve. The algorithm has been doing its best. Then why are people not watching my videos? Why am I not having view? Please, these are the things for those who are still experiencing the same thing I'm experiencing. Feel free to come. Let's work it together. If you have any experience on how we will go about this, just feel free. That is why I said in this my platform is to pull everybody up in this YouTube journey. Is what we cannot do on our own. That is why any experience I have in this YouTube, positive or negative, I will come here to share it with my people. So that made me come here. If you know you are having low views, if you know you are here and it's as if the algorithm is not recommending you, it's as if you've been shadow banned, come, let's reason together. And for those big YouTubers that are coming across this video, I beg, try watch this video so that you go come give us your input. I beg, so that this YouTube where we dey go sweet us for. It's a very good platform that when you come here, you are happy. You know, when I was monetized, I came here happy. And I've been here since I've been happy. But me seeing that even though the videos I'm doing, I'm not having views. I know it might not really be what people want. But is it that what I'm doing is not good? Comment in the comment section. Just check, go through my videos and tell me, no, this is not it, this is it. Please, I really appreciate your input. I will appreciate your advice. Then YouTube, please, I don't know if I will say the audience you are sending my video to, if they are not more, please, I know I used to see a very good impression. Yes, but YouTube na fit still do more now. Help and upcoming. So thank you. God bless you. And thank you for those many subscribers and upcoming subscribers. Please do not forget to always like, comment, follow, and share. Thumbs up.